Alright, here we are at Giggle Ridge at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at hole number 7. We've tied it all up. We have now even. So let's take a look at hole number 7 here. Oh, you got 2 pathways. Which one are we gonna choose? Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys at the hole. You watch what happens. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Don't hit it too hard. Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. I'll put it in. Okay. So if I put this in, I win. Putting it in for the win. No! I have to put this in for the tie. Putting it in for the tie. No!
She wins! Yeah!
She wins the hole. Oh, that's so wrong. Oh, that means she's 1 hole up, ladies and gentlemen, so stay tuned for the next one. Oh. I thought I saw a bird go by.